Hey, what's up? So if you're in the market looking to buy a dual channel dashcam but you are confused which one of the hundreds of options to buy, well, here's my take. Here are my top 3 dash cameras which you can buy in the year 2024 to make the most out of your money. So these 3 dash cams are my favorites because they give you a really good performance and will probably suit your car and suit your requirements the most. So let's quickly take a look at the top 3 dual channel dash cams which you can buy right now. So the first dual channel dashcam is probably one of my most favorite ones and it has been launched recently. I'm talking about the 70mm A510. Now this is the most value for money dashcam among all the dual channel dashcams that are out there, because this camera comes at a price of 13,000 rupees and for that budget you're getting a StarVis 2 IMX675 sensor, close to 4K quality and a really good HDR footage. I mean, there is no other dual channel dashcam setup currently in the market that can match what the 70mm A510 can do for you. I've already made a detailed review video of this camera and if you're interested you can go ahead and take a look at it, and based on my extensive usage and testing, this camera has turned out to be very reliable and very good in terms of providing you excellent number plate readability at night, along with giving you front and rear time-lapse parking monitoring as well whenever you parked your car in unsafe places. This camera also gets some additional accessories such as CPL Filter and Hardwire Kit, which are cherry on top. So if you don't really have a very high budget and you want to have a very premium performance or a close to premium performance, the 70mm A510 will probably suit you the best. So the next dashcam which I want to talk about, the dual channel dashcam, is one of the most premium dashcams that are available and it's quite pricey. So if you are someone who has no limits on the kind of expenditure you want to do on a dashcam and you want to get the best of the best, this is the one for you. I'm talking about the VIOFO A229 series, both the Plus and the Pro variant. Now the speciality of this dashcam is that this gets dual StarVis 2. Yes, this means both the front and the rear camera get a StarVis 2 sensor. Too good to be true, isn't it? I've already made a detailed video on the A229 Plus and the Pro. You will find the link to those review videos in the description. But if you want to get the best of the best, the top of the line, the A229 series is the one you should be looking out for. A229 Plus comes at a price of about 25,000 rupees and the A229 Pro Dual Channel variant comes at a price of about 35,000 rupees. In the A229 Plus series, the front camera and the rear camera support 2K resolution, and in the A229 Pro series, the front camera supports 4K and the rear camera supports 2K resolution. I mean, along with giving you the world's first dual StarVis 2 setup, these cameras also get a long list of features for which this video might just not be enough. So you can always take a look at those previous videos which I've already made on these dashcams to get a detailed insight into the working and performance of these. And of course, if you're interested in purchasing these, you'll find the links to them in the description below. So the third and the last dashcam within this list is probably the cheapest and the best available quality which you're going to get for that price. I'm talking about the Nexdigitron Prime Dual. Yes, this dash camera comes at a price of about 8,000 to 8,500 rupees, and for that money you're getting a dual channel setup, you're getting a Sony StarVis IMX335 sensor, you're getting a 1440p front camera, and also you're getting GPS built in. I mean, for a price of 8,000 rupees, this is the most value for money dashcam, and I really don't think you should be going any lesser in terms of price and in terms of features if you're looking to buy a dual channel setup. So if your budget is too tight, you really can't spend beyond 10,000 and you want to have a dual channel dashcam with a good enough performance, the Prime Dual should be the one to suit all your needs. Of course, just like in the A510, you will also get the CPL Filter hardwiring kit, which means you can also use this camera for parking monitoring and also get crystal clear video quality due to the CPL filter, which you can purchase separately anytime later on. So these 3 cameras are my favorite top 3 dual channel dashcam setups which you can buy in 2024, and if you are interested in purchasing any of these 3 cameras, the links to purchase it is given in the description below. Just head down, click on the link and purchase it. Also, you can take a look at the detailed review videos. The links to those review videos will also be given in the description as well. If you have any queries, any doubts about any of these cameras, you can always write that down. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So I'll be bringing up many more interesting dash camera videos and their comparisons. So stay tuned to Travel Tech and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button of this video. Also, you can follow me on my Facebook and the Instagram page along with the WhatsApp page. The links to those pages are also given in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.